February is here and I have 3 of the best stocks for you guys to buy now. And real quick, before we get into the video, I actually do have a stock options Discord where we give out our buy and sell alerts, and we are giving you guys a free week of premium if you're watching this video. So if you guys want to, go ahead and join with the first link in the description, and then you are going to be able to get a free week of our premium alerts. So do that with the first link in the description. But other than that, let's get into the first stock of the day, which is going to be Shopify. So if we take a look at the past 3 months, it's been very good to Shopify. It's up 44% in the past 3 months. In the past year, it is down 44%, but it's looking like in the past 3 months that we are turning things around. Past month up 46%, past week 5%, and today alone 2% and up 2% in after hours. So looking extremely good. If you guys don't know what Shopify is, it's basically an e-commerce platform. It's designed for small and medium-sized businesses, and its software is used by merchants to run businesses across all sales channels. A lot of social media influencers use this. A lot of people have made a ton of money by doing drop shipping with this, and it's really just 2023 kind of summed up in an e-commerce platform, and it's probably one of the best ones out there, especially for beginners to intermediate e-commerce people. Some other people might like to do Amazon FBA a bit more, but Shopify is great for just the person who wants to be able to learn how to use an e-commerce platform and use it within a few days. But yeah, their market cap's in at about $54 billion. Their average volume is about 24 million shares. Their volume today was 26 million. I assume very good price action to continue with Shopify. This is a good long-term hold, as well as I think it's going to be very good in this month as well. So make sure you guys take a look at it. And it is one of the top 10 best stocks to buy in Motley Fool's 10 stocks to buy for February 2023. Yeah, they basically show that they offer a subscription plan starting at about $29 per month for the business. That actually is going up, so the revenue will be going up, and a lot of people use this. They will be happy to pay whether it's $5 to $10 more, and that their revenue will be going up. The platform has generated just over $5 billion in revenue over the past 4 quarters, but this is just a fraction of the estimated $153 billion market opportunity. Yeah, they're still at the precipice of this kind of e-commerce boom, so there's a lot of growth still to be had for Shopify. So make sure you guys take a look at that, especially if you guys are interested in getting into a kind of newer type of business that is growing. So Shopify is going to be a really good one for you guys. Next we are not going to have Shopify. We're going to have Block or Square. SQ is the ticker, and this is going to be a company that focuses on financial services. The company basically operates as a payment processor through Square, Cash App, Tidal. They have a lot of different payment processors that are in different markets as well. Square and Cash App are kind of 2 different things. Cash App's more peer-to-peer, Square's more business to consumer. But yeah, Square helps sellers run and grow their business through integrated ecosystems of commerce solutions. And yeah, they kind of just operate through banking services, and this is kind of a new thing where it's kind of taking banking and making it a lot easier. Cash App allows users to send, spend, and invest money in stocks or Bitcoin. So yeah, they have Square, which is more business, Cash App more friends, kind of a Venmo thing. If you guys know what Venmo is, I'm sure you guys know honestly what Cash App and Venmo is at this point. And yeah, Spiral, formerly Square Crypto, builds and funds free open source projects that advance the use of Bitcoin. So yeah, these guys are at the top of the crypto and new age money kind of market. So this is a great thing to be using as well. They have a $50 billion market cap, and before I get into those other things, in the past day it's up 2%, in the past week 1%, past month 30%, in past 3 months 35%. So just like Shopify, they're also doing extremely well. Market cap 50 billion, average volume 13 million. The volume is less today, but I assume through the month of February they will see a lot of volume, a lot of ups and downs downs, and I think the ups will be higher than the downs. That's why it's in my video today. But yeah, I mean, at one point the block was worth about $150 in March of 2022, so the fact that we're getting it at 84 is pretty solid. And yeah, I mean, even take a look at this Market Watch article. You can see here that many payment stocks are defensive plays, but not squares, says analysts. And this is more because it's not a defensive play. I think it's really a growth play, considering that they have Cash App, which is peer-to-peer, and then they also have their business stuff, Square. And I've noticed a lot of people are using Square to operate their business. So yeah, while other payment stocks such as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal are kind of more like, oh, put your money in these and you're not really going to lose it, but it might not go up as much. I think Square is more of a growth play, in my opinion. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And then our final stock of the day, reminder real quick, guys, to definitely join our private Discord with the first link in the description. We're giving you a free week of our premium alerts. But the last stock is going to be Disney. So Disney's up 1% today, 0.5% in after hours, up 2% in the past week, 24% in the past month, and 2% in the past 3 months. In the past year, down about 23%. So this is going to be a less risky play than the other two. The other two will probably have more growth, but still a great play in February 2023 nonetheless. I'm sure you guys all know Disney. They operate in the following segments: Disney Media and entertainment distribution, Disney Parks. I'm sure you guys have probably all been to Disney Park experiences. And also it owns Marvel, it owns Star Wars, it owns National Geographic. It owns pretty much all of your favorite movies, and now it's making TV series for those things as well. So I just see Walt Disney as owning all of the best media, in my opinion. They own ESPN, so that's kind of why I really like them as one of my biggest holdings in my portfolio. However, the market cap is pretty high. It is 200 billion, so you're not going to see as much go up and down just because it takes a lot more money. The average volume is about 10 million shares, and the volume today was 9, so pretty normal. And their price earnings ratio is kind of high, but considering the company that they are, it's probably always going to be high. But yeah, that's what we're looking at for Disney. And you can see here, Yahoo Finance says that Disney is actually a buy. If you take a look, Disney currently has an average brokerage recommendation of 1.38 on a scale of 1 to 5. A 1 is a strong buy and a 5 is a strong sell. So they are really close to a strong buy by 20 brokerage firms. So that means all these brokerage firms are expecting Disney to do well. And honestly, I do too. So considering Disney at one point this year was at $154 or $160 almost, and now they're sitting at $109. This is a great time to be getting in, and if you take a look at the past month, this is just a very bullish chart, and I don't expect it to stop anytime soon. But yeah, make sure that you guys join our private Discord. You're gonna get a week of free alerts with the first link in the description. If you guys do that, you can see here we're getting 100% gainers. People are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars in there. So go ahead and join with the first link in the description. Yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. That's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.